you are looking for Burbank, Illinois vehicle frame straightening, you have come to the right place. TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts, we specialize in correcting misalignments and deformations in your vehicle's frame. Our skilled technicians use advanced technology and precise tools to measure and restore your frame to its original specifications. This service ensures that your car drives safely and maintains structural integrity. For all your Burbank, Illinois vehicle frame straightening needs, trust TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts. Call us today to schedule your repair estimate